Tip number 1, para dumami yung followers mo. I-set up mo na yung follow button mo. Paano kanila masundan kung hindi naka-enable ang button mo? Kung gusto mong matuto, proceed tayo sa tutorial video ko. Click mo yung Facebook app. Click mo yung profile. Scroll sa baba, settings and privacy. Click mo yung settings. Scroll ka sa baba, audience and visibility. So, click mo yung how people may find and contact you. Click yung who can send friend requests. Naka-default everyone yan. Ilipat mo sa friends and friends. Click yung back. Then click yung followers and public contacts. Then lahat dyan, iset mo to public. Public, save. Lahat ng settings, naka-public and save. Yan, naka-public and save. Public, save. Public, save. Yung notification, public, save. Then, profile. So, back. Then, click mo yung profile mo. Click mo yung 3 dots. Click mo yung view. Then, enable lang follow. Please follow, like, and share guys.